In today's video, I'll teach you how to keep TikTok live playing in background. First of all, launch open TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your account and make sure you're watching the live right now. So if you want this live to keep playing when you're using other applications and when you exit this app, what you have to do is simply tap on the share icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. So in TikTok, there is a built-in feature for PiP mode. By using the feature, you'll be able to keep the TikTok live playing while you exit the application. So what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll to the left. Now you'll be able to find the option for background player over here. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find three options: picture in picture, audio, none. So what you have to do is select this option for PiP. Once you select the option, the background player will be enabled. Now whenever you exit the app, the live videos will keep playing in a floating window. Right now I'm recording, that's why the floating window is not appearing over here. But whenever you do in your device, you'll be able to see the floating window of the TikTok live. So like this, you'll be able to make the TikTok live keep playing when you're using other applications too. So that is how you keep TikTok live playing in background. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.